Welcome all media persons for this today interaction. In the last few months, many important people have joined BJP in Tamil Nadu. People who have worked for decades in DMK and also in AIDMK, they have shown lot of interest joining BJP. Now, I would like to share in Tamil Nadu the momentum which was there earlier after L. Murugan became state president. It got further impetus and many important persons and personalities, they have shown lot of interest, and all of them have expressed one thing, that BJP as a political party, we all know it is becoming more and more popular all over the country and getting penetrated into new areas, both territorially and social segment wise. South is not an exception. Tamil Nadu definitely is not an exception. Even in Tamil Nadu, BJP is attracting many people from different sections and different sectors. Ideologically also, BJP is becoming a pole. Definitely I am using the word pole because DMK, yesterday our Honorable National President Shri Nadda ji, while addressing State Executive Meeting of Tamil Nadu, he has also mentioned that number of issues are becoming very important and getting discussed. In this context, now one more addition, an important addition. We have Shri K. Annamalai, who is with me, besides me, and he worked as a IPS officer, worked in Karnataka, in Bangalore, Udupi and other districts from the beginning, and finally he resigned. He was having 9 years service. He left the service. He felt that bureaucratic service is important, but public service much more important. He comes from Karur, coming from an agriculture family. Very good background, studied engineering from very good college, then has also taken MBA from IIM Lucknow. After that he got selected to IPS and he worked in Karnataka. After watching both in Karnataka and also in Tamil Nadu and also at the national level, Narendra Modi ji's leadership and his commitment for the self-reliant India, he felt, actually when he resigned, he thought of doing, undertaking social service. And with that view, he has also started a skilling movement, India Leaders Foundation. He has started that movement, and Skilling India he has taken as a very important aspect of that movement. Then 5,500 students, they got enrolled, and now they are about to pass out. After getting into the skilling movement and all other activities in the Karur, Coimbatore and the entire Tamil Nadu, youth also are getting attracted towards him and his commitment. Then he felt, as I told, there is a greater connect now for the people of Tamil Nadu with Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So he has expressed that strengthening the nationalist movement in Tamil Nadu is a very important, and strengthening the movement for establishing the constitutional values in Tamil Nadu, the empowerment programs and all. Then he expressed his desire that joining BJP and strengthening Narendra Modi ji's hands will be very important and crucial. With that aspect in mind, he has now today come here, and after joining today BJP, he will be meeting Honorable National President Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, and definitely he will be very important asset. And
ராவ்ஜி உட்பட்ட அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, சமீப காலமாக மாற்றுக் கட்சிகளிலிருந்தும் ரொம்ப எமினன்ட் பீப்புள், எமினண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறவங்க, தொழிலதிபர்கள், எஜுகேஷனலிஸ்ட், அட்வொகேட்ஸ், டாக்டர்ஸ், அப்படி இன்றைக்கி பிஜேபியில் பல ஆண்டு காலமாக வேறு கட்சியில் இருந்தவங்க இன்றைக்கி பிஜேபி பக்கம் வந்துட்டுருக்காங்க. அவங்க சொல்கிற அத்தனை காரணமும் மரியாதைக்குரிய பாரத பிரதமர் திரு நரேந்திர மோடிஜி அவர்களால் மட்டும்தான் தமிழ்நாட்டில் மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு மாற்றத்தை கொண்டு வர முடியும் அப்படின்ட்டு அத்தனை பேருமே இன்றைக்கி வந்துட்டுருக்காங்க. அந்த வரிசையில் இன்றைக்கு நம்மளுடைய திரு கே அண்ணாமலை அவர்கள், எக்ஸ் ஐபிஎஸ் ஆஃபீஸர், இளமையானவர், கர்நாடகாவில் மிக துணிச்சலாக தன்னுடைய பணியை செய்தவர், இன்றைக்கு தமிழகத்தில் இளைஞர்களிடத்தில் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய வரவேற்பை பெற்றிருக்கிறாரு. அவர் இன்றைக்கு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியில் சேர்ந்திருக்காங்க. தமிழ்நாடு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியின் சார்பில் அவரை வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். அவருடைய பணி தமிழ்நாடு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியில் மேலும் உத்வேகத்தை கொடுக்கும் என என்னுடைய நம்பிக்கையில் அவரை மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Mr. Murugan. Now I would request our eminent personality who has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party today, Mr. K. Annamalai ji, to deliver a short speech. Our National General Secretary. Our National General Secretary Muralidhar Rao ji, our State President L. Murugan ji, our National Spokesperson Sambit Patra ji, and all the press journalist friends who are here. I'll start with a small Tirukural from our great land. It's in Iraimachi, Kural number 382. It says, Anjamai, Igai, Arivukam, in Nalgum, Enjamai, Vendar Kalah. I come from a land which is historic. And in this beautiful Tirukural, it talks about the qualities a king and an administrator should have. It talks about fearlessness, it talks about courage, it talks about giving spirit, it talks about knowledge. I see all four of this with our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and all the eminent leaders of BJP party. With this, I have decided that I should strengthen the movement, what the party stands for, and as our National General Secretaries are rightly observed, to bring that nationalist spirit to our state of Tamil Nadu. And I'll try my best as a loyal soldier of this party and under our presidentship, Sri L. Murugan ji, to dedicate my time and my energy to further this cause in Tamil Nadu and across India. I thank BJP party for giving me this opportunity to join this great organization. It's a privilege for me. Thank you once again for coming here. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. சார் நான் ஒரு கட்சியோட லாயல் சோல்ஜர் சார். கட்சி என்ன முடிவு பண்ணுதோ அதுதான் சார். எந்த கண்டிஷனுமே இல்லாமல் தான் சார் கட்சிக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். நம்ம பிரசிடென்ட் சார் வேறு என்ன சொல்கிறாங்களோ உங்களுக்கு கீழே வேலை செய்கிறக்காக தான் சார் இங்கே இருக்கேன். தேங்க்யூ சார். Sir, BJP as a party doesn't work like that, sir. This party doesn't work like other parties where people demand and come in. I've come in as a loyal soldier, sir. ஒரு சாதாரண மனிதனாக தொண்டனாக உள்ள வந்திருக்கேன் சார். There are millions of people before me and who have done great service to this party. I never ever ask anything in the party. I've just come as a loyal foot soldier, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a joining ceremony. I believe question answers can wait. He'll of course be available for question answers, and you can meet him after this, because there's an important meeting that Mr. Muralidhar Rao ji also has to attend. At the end, I would just say to our good friend and our eminent personality today, K. Annamalai ji, Bharatiya Janata Party Kachchail Tangalai Varavera Kirom. Thank you everyone. Welcome to BJP. Thank you.
Now Taste TV, Nizam Nirbhayanga.